classic. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Junior the Highquake, ang inyong pobreng YouTuber. Sa karon, we will be unboxing this one since we are done unboxing katong shoes pag last week. So we will be unboxing this guitar. This guitar na order ni na ako sa Lazada katong time nga nahatag sa ato ang na-order to sa ato ang nahatag na shoes pag una na tong nag-unbox. So, this is not that really expensive. This is a guitar from the shop Clifton, official Clifton shop. Clifton A series A1 solid sprout stock super jumbo guitar. During that time nag-order nato kay nag-sale to siya. That is why free shipping sa Lazada. You can check the prices sa ilahang shop sa Clifton guitars. So be sure lang naka sa sa ilahang official account. During that time nag-order tano naka sale ang A series nila from the jumbo mini guitar diri sa ilahang shop. So I will be putting here sa shop nila sa Clifton store. So you can buy it on Lazada. We'll be opening this one. Yan, naka solid rough siya. Dapo pa na ako. It's really big. So gamay kita space diri so di na to mapakita ang holda yun. So hiwi maganing camera. So legit. What? So it's stated here, no frills, just stone. So gamay ra kay atong place. So ayan packaging of kayo pagka ready sa shop, no? It really packs it well. Saan na siya rin pagkuhan. So it's my second time this year to unbox. Ooh, wala na kapalit og nindot nga kuan. Nga, what do you call this one dong? Is a cutter. So ato na lang gisiyon ang naka-bubble wrap. Can you hold it dong? Yeah, so I have assistant here. You're holding it? Yeah. So you hold it please. Kay wala tay cameraman dong. Oh. Careful.
That's so sharp.
This sharp?
Yeah. That?
Uh-oh.
I got it. Puppet.
It's a puppet.
And a box.
Are you excited dong?
Yeah.
You want also to use guitar?
Yeah, but,
When you
but only tiny ones.
the tiny ones?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
But never.
Wala kayo tayo kuan. Careful. Be careful. Can you do that? Help me there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's cut it. Uh-oh.
It's a box.
What?
Box.
Yeah, it is really fun. No?
Inside a plastic.
Inside the plastics is already the bag. Naka-bubble wrap din siya. It's really safe. It's obvious that they packed it
Oh,
safely.
here's tape. Tape. Push me.
Oh, sorry. So, no frills, just the Clifton A series. Ooh, excited? Are you excited?
Yeah. This is your chair opening.
Huh?
This is safe.
Ako sa naka-excited. So, i-check.
Playing the tape.
There are tapes?
Yeah.
Naka-sealed siya. Utaro.
Ay.
Oh, man.
Oh my god, you know you suck. Yeah.
I think we don't have to Oh, I'll be now opening this one. Ako nang i-abli mga palangga. Uh-oh. Here we go.
It feels like. Oh.
Says here, no frills, just stone, AC or scoop. Join the movement, no frills, just stone. I'll be reading this one. Subama sa kilusan, no frills, just stone. Mag-post ng larawan na hawak ang gitara kasamang papel na nakasulat no frills, just stone. At i-post ito sa Facebook at Instagram account na may hashtag na no frills, just stone. Tulungan kami na palaganapin ang kilusang no frills, just stone sa mga instrumento. So, ayan. Clifton. Oh, ganda ng bag. Same sa katong ako ang ano,
Oh,
art.
that's a big shoe.
Same.
A big
Yes, ako pagkakain. Kahutan na rin, gamay yan. Excuse me, Aizen.
Ow.
Putting that back there. Okay. Kaya rin, English na rin kay natin ko yung naman ka. Yeah. The bag's at the first.
I'm gonna take the box.
You can put here
Hey, take
wires and everything you needed.
I'm taking your box. Bajun, I'm taking the box.
Yeah, you can use that. Here. Later. Dili mabasa tayo nung naikuha. Then, nalagyan ko siya. Protection. Right. You're not excited to see it. Let's decide. Let me get exposed. It's really safe here. What's good is that the inside part here is also wrapped. Naka-wrap yapon siya. You really have to be careful. To not naka-wrap. Ay, ito, kasagaran no, ay naiuban nga mga reviews o dili sa kanila shop. Dili na siya ma-update mo, wala siya. But here, naka-attach talaga siya dito. Oh, really classic. The reason nga marag naka-inganyo sad ko sa kanino sa big jumbo guitar is that when you play traditional songs, it's really specifically classic songs, mo suited siya ang big jumbo guitar since it's more on. Let me try.
Oh? Wala pa siya nakatuno, pero matabang ko katulo siya. Ay, oh! Ay, wala pa siya matuno. So,
pila ni ang guitar, no? So it is 6,471. Naka-lesser ta sa price since it is on sale during that time. So thank you so much, Clifton Guitars. This time we'll be creating more memories with melody. But not here, kay dili kay tama nindot mo kanta. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you remember in your life you create great moments one episode at a time. Daghang salamat. This is Junior the Highquake ug kita-kita tapuhon. Bye-bye.